Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with YNAB budget, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download and install the YNAB budget app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll be presented with the dashboard. Start by setting up your budgeting goal for the month. Identify your income sources and estimate how much you expect to earn. Enter your income into the app, labeling it clearly for easy reference. Next, allocate your income to various categories tailored to your needs. Use YNAB's suggested categories or create custom ones, such as groceries, utilities, and savings. As you assign dollars to each category, remember YNAB's principle: give every dollar a job. After you've budgeted your income, it's time to track your expenses. This real-time tracking helps you see how much you have left in each category. If you overspend in one category, reallocate funds from another category to stay on track. Next, review your budget weekly to ensure you're sticking to your plan. Make adjustments as needed based on your spending habits and unexpected expenses. At the end of the month, analyze your spending patterns within the app. Use YNAB's reporting features to identify areas for improvement. Set goals for the next month based on your insights to refine your approach. Remember to celebrate your successes to stay motivated in your budgeting journey. YNAB offers educational resources, so make use of their tutorials and community forums. As you gain experience, you'll become more adept at managing your finances with YNAB. Finally, revisit your financial goals regularly to ensure you're progressing toward them. With consistent use of YNAB budget, you'll build a solid foundation for your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.